Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Definitely check this company out. It's coming from XGody. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon, but if it's Amazon, I'll leave the link, my affiliate link down below. And if it's their website, I'll leave it down. All you gotta do is check out the description and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Now this is a deal right here they have. This is their smartphone. It's XGody V40, I do believe. But once you click on the link, it'll pop you up right to it. So pretty simple, nice packaging. This is Android, ready to go. Comes with, the basic power cord right down there. And then also, which I wish T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, whatever companies, they would do this. It comes with a case. I mean, it's not the premium, but it's a really nice case. Definitely will help you out until your other ones come in, but for now, this is what I'm going to be using. So, really nice. And also, comes with an extra screen protector. So, T-Mobile, come on now. Gotta get with the program. But they want that because they want you to pay that $150 in case you get damage. That's insane, though. I can't believe they charge that much for a cracked screen. Is insane. But this is going to be a good backup, or I'm not sure. It might be my permanent. But here she is. Comes with the pre-mounted screen. So it is Android. But really nice. Welcome. I think it's got a good charge now. Yeah, it's got charge. So it has a super lightweight, slim body style. There's the speakers, USB port right there. On the side here, TF slot is going to be right there where the hole is. So you just put your memories or whatnot, your phone, SIM card. That's what it's called, SIM card. There's a camera, got 3 lenses right there, got the flash, got 3 lenses. But look at how shiny that looks. XGody. Same basic stuff, Wi-Fi. I gotta put that activated. So, come on. Here, gotta go to settings. It has 2.0 GB memory used. Storage is 12.46. Face unlock, digital well-being, all that good stuff that's on every phone now. This is a version 40. Like I said, they got other ones, so just browse around. They got tablets also. I'm going to connect. Hotspot tethering. So like I said, let me figure this part out. Alright guys, I am connected to my Wi-Fi. There we go. 2.9. I gotta fix the time. Got the whole list. United States. This would be a good burner phone to use. Maybe not. Settings we already showed. Bluetooth devices you could connect. So basic smartphone. But like I said, super lightweight. Then I gotta do this again. Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. Everything's all programmed now with my Gmail and Google accounts. I just gotta go through later on, like what apps I want to put on this phone. But super lightweight. Let's check out the camera. It's always important, especially now these days with social media. That looks good. Picture. That looks So they're really good. And then video. So I might use this for YouTube to do these. So you'll be this way. So not too bad at all. Alright, and then click on that. Not too bad at all. There we go. Just gotta adjust that part. Trash, throw it away in the garbage. Trash. So definitely nice camera. You just gotta go to settings. Doesn't even have settings. You do a flip. Change sound. Where is camera? We got it going though. YouTube will click on see the video quality. Go to my account at least. There you go. Alright, YouTubers. Go again. Shut it off. There we go. So like I said, if you guys are looking for a new phone, backup phone, Father's Day gift, definitely check this out. XGody, be safe, have a good night.